Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the Max session. I'm here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. As I have given you the introduction about perimeter, right? That perimeter means what? We are counting the total of the borders, right? And it is called as perimeter. Now, today's topic is perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, in this, I will show you the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Suppose this is a rectangle. We have given the names to the corner A, B, C, D. Okay. A to B I have 15 degree. I have given the measurement. B to C is 7 centimeter. C to D is 15 centimeter. And D to A is 7 centimeter. So if we will take out the total of all four sides, so we'll get the parameter. Okay, but we are talking here about parameter of rectangle. Means specifically of rectangle we are having a formula. As you know that rectangle opposite sides are always equal. See, that's why I have written here 15 centimeter is there. So here also 15 centimeter is there. Opposite sides are equal. Here's 7 centimeters, so here also 7 centimeter. Means what? We are having two lengths and two breadths. Right. So what it means that it means that this is the length and this is the breadth. Okay. So we are taking L is equals to 7 centimeter because opposite sides are equal. So this is the length. The breadth A to B breadth means B. B means I have to 15 centimeter. But you can see that length, I am having two lengths 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Means if I write like that, we only see L plus B plus L plus B. So here you can see the clear that we are having 2L and 2B. So how we can write this? We can write 2L plus 2B. Right? Because we are having 2L and 2B's. So we can write like this. But in the end, one more thing is there. We can also write 2L plus B. Here what we have taken? We have taken out it 2 as a common outside. And we have given here the formula is created. That L plus B. And we have to multiply by 2. So 2L plus B is the formula of perimeter of square. You have to keep in mind, okay, that perimeter of rectangle, what's the formula? 2L plus B. Okay. So now let's implement this formula in our sum. So as I have written, perimeter equals to perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2L plus B. So 2 I will write like that only. Length is 7 and breadth is 15. Okay. So first we'll do the addition. So 7 plus 15. So if you are not knowing, 15 plus 7. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 here, 2 down. 1 plus 1, 2. 22 is our answer. We'll write that in the bracket. Okay, now what we will do? We'll multiply 22 and 2. So if we'll multiply 22 and 2, the down space is not there, I am writing the answer here. 22 and 2. So 2 2s are 4 and again 2 2s are 4. So we got the answer 22 and here you can see centimeter is written. Means if centimeter is written, you have to write centimeter, and if meter is written, you have to write meter. Okay. So 44 centimeter is our answer. Means we have found what? The parameter of this rectangle is 44 centimeter. Okay. On this, on the page number 208, try this is there. So let's do it. So this try this, we cannot solve it here. So I'll solve here. So first our question is here what they are telling, that length and breadth is given. First they are telling the parameter, we are finding the parameter by adding. We can also find by adding. And parameter by 2 L plus B. Both way we will find and we'll get the same answer. See, for example, this is the rectangle and the length is 25 centimeter and here 12 centimeter breadth. 25 centimeter and 12 centimeter. As first what I have written, first we'll do the adding. So first what I have written, length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Like this way I have written, so I'll put the numbers. So length is 25 plus 12 plus 25 plus 12. So what we'll get? So we'll add it here. 25 plus 12 plus 25 plus 12. 5 2s are, plus we have to do. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2, 7. So 8, 9. 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. 74 we got the answer. As it is written centimeters, we'll write the answer in centimeter. 74 centimeter we got the answer. So we'll write, by adding we got 74 centimeter. Now we will implement the formula and then we will find. Okay. So our formula is perimeter is equals to 2 L plus B. Okay. So 2 L is our 25 and B is 12. So what here we will do? First we will add. So let's add. So 25 plus 12. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So 37 is our answer. Now what we will do? Now we will multiply. So 37 into 2. So 7 2s are 14 into 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. What we got the answer? 74. Again we'll write the centimeter as everything is given in centimeter. See, we got the similar answers. 74 centimeter. If we will do by adding or if we will do by applying the formula, we'll get the same answer. Like that we will do the next. Now I'm not drawing the rectangle. We'll just write L and B. So here L is 0.5 and B is 0.5 meter and B is 0.25 meter. So first while adding we will do, so L plus B plus L plus B. So L is 0.5, B is 0.25, again L is 0.5 and B is 0.25. We will add 0.5, 0.25, 0.5 and 0.25. Nothing is there, so 0 is there means. So 5 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 1 15 and 1. So 1.50 What we got the answer? 1.50 meters. Why I have written meters here? Because the length and breadth both are given in meters. That's why. Okay. Now let's do it by applying the formula. Perimeter equals to 2L plus B. So 2. So length is 0.5 and breadth is 0.25. So first what we'll do? First we will add. So let's add 0.5 plus 0.25. Nothing is there, means 0 is there. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 0 plus 0 is 0. So you got the answer 0.75. So now let's multiply it. 0.75 into 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 1 carry, 5 down. And 2 zeros are 0, but 1 is there. So 1 will put down and we'll put the decimal. So 1.50 meter. This is our answer. We got the same answer. Here we got 1.50 meters, and by putting the formula we got 1.50 meters. Okay. Now this both sum you have to do it by yourself, and if you have any kind of doubt, please let me know.